Hi, I am BitMark and I am here to talk to you about an AI project that has potential for huge gains in the bull run, or maybe earlier. And that is Solidus AITech. Solidus AITech is a blockchain-powered platform that provides artificial intelligence as a service, blockchain as a service, and high-performance computing resources, HPC center. The Solidus AITech token is a native token of the platform. It is used to pay for services on the platform such as computing power, storage, and bandwidth. AITech tokens can also be staked to earn rewards through the AITech platform with varieties of APR and lock periods. Also, you can use your AITech tokens to provide liquidity through the Ape Swap and Baby Dodge Swap for greater rewards, but I would recommend to be aware of the permanent loss in the yield farming first. The AITech token launched on 28th of August in major exchanges such as Gate.io, PancakeSwap, MEX, BitGet, and more. The last addition it was the Rocket X, and I will speak about it and how to use the platform in my next video. If you think that you like our content, please press the like and subscribe button, and if you don't want to lose our next video, you can press also the notification button. In this point, I don't want to forget about the Rise of AITech. Rise of AITech, it is the Metaverse game that the team of AITech is developing with 10,000 Metabots NFTs are ready to mint. These NFTs haven't got only the utility for the game itself, but they will be used as a boost for the staking process through the AITech platform. Solidus AITech, because it is an ICO, I would recommend to have a look in the Tokenomics table first, so you can be aware when the tokens will be distributed to the holders from the private and pre-sale stages. The link with the information will be in the description below, as usual. This project has a great fundamentals and also a utility with HPC data center that will be ready the upcoming months. The time that I'm recording the video, the AITech is sitting around at $0.027. Let's have a look some benefits of using Solidus AITech token. Solidus AITech provides access to powerful artificial intelligence resources without the need to invest in expensive hardware or software. This makes it possible for businesses and individuals to use AI to solve problems that would be too expensive or difficult to solve otherwise. Solidus makes it easy to develop and deploy AI applications. The platform provides a wide range of AI models and algorithms as well as a user-friendly interface. This makes it possible to create AI applications without having to be an expert in AI. It's designed to scale with your business. As your business grows, you can easily add more computing power and storage to your AI applications. AITech provides a secure environment for storing and managing your data. The platform uses industry-leading security protocols to protect your data from unauthorized access. By staking AITech tokens, you can earn rewards and participate in DAO voting power. This is a great way to earn passive income and support the growth of the Solidus AITech platform. Solidus AITech token is a powerful tool that can be used to solve a variety of problems. If you are looking for a way to access powerful AI resources, develop and deploy AI applications faster, scale AI application as your business grows, securely store and manage your data, or participate in the token economy and earn rewards, then Solidus AITech token is a great option for you. To learn more about Solidus AITech token, visit the website aitech.io or join the community. For the end of this video, as usual, I would like to say that it's not a financial advice, whatever I said in that video. Thank you a lot and catch you next time.